Greece, 500 BC. Pythagoras thought that music provided keys to the secrets of the world. He also believed that the planets produced different tones in harmony, suggesting that the universe itself sings. It's true. It's been proven in scientific studies that audiences perceive heightened visual quality only when the audio has been enhanced. Add depth. Provide tempo. It can soothe. It can motivate, navigate, punctuate, and accentuate. It is emotion. It is life. It is everywhere at all times. Music takes many forms and reflects many ways of life, but all types of music have one basic function in common. That is, all music is a form of communication in which sounds are deliberately organized for an artistic purpose. Set the mood, create ambiance, put your audience in a certain place, time, or state of mind, all in crystal clear digital audio. Be heard. Sound Genius gives you a voice.
What's his particular genius?
The Sound Genius Studios staff is a collaboration of skilled audio engineers, DJs, and live musicians, each masters in their respected professions and styles. So, no matter what the project entails, Sound Genius Studios provides the solution with a multitude of musical genres. In early civilization, it was believed that music reflected the order of the universe. It was also believed that music possessed magical powers, as well as the power to please, communicate ways that words could never, bring visuals to life, leave an imprint on their minds, relate to the soul, feel the impact of sound. Sound effects, audio branding, custom music. Sound Genius Studios does it all. For more information, visit us at www.soundgenius.com.